Hello, here I will explain about communication standards which include 1. Organizational standards, 2. Open system interconnection, 3. Internet standards. International organizational standards in the field of data communication. The standard of communication is needed so that there is uniformity, so that communication is possible. Here are some standard organizations that play a role in computer networks. 1. Internet Engineering Task Force is an organization that attracts many parties, both individuals and organizations, who are interested in the development of computer network and the internet. This organization is governed by Internet Engineering Steering Group and is tasked with studying engineering problems that occur in computer network and the internet, and then proposing solutions to their problems to the Internet Architecture Board. The Internet Engineering Task Force work is carried out by many working groups, referred to work asking group, that concentrates on one topic only, such as security, routing, and others. The Internet Engineering Task Force is the party that publishes the specifications that make up the standard TCP protocol. 2. International Telecommunication Union. International Telecommunication Union is an international organization to standardize or ensure and regulate international radio and telecommunication, both in the field of service, media, and network use, so that a telecommunication network can run smoothly. With the aim of standardizing, allocating radio spectrum, and organizing interconnection chain agreements between different countries to enable international telephone calls. International Telecommunication Union itself was formed from representatives of European government in 1865, and International Telecommunication Union was established in Paris on May 17, 1865, and International Telecommunication Union was carried by the Secretary General Dr. Hamadoun Wanford since 2006 until now. Open system interconnection or OSI is a reference conceptual framework however now it has developed and become a special standardization with regard to computer connection. 7 OC layers models. 1. Application layer. Layer 7. The application layer is the layer that becomes the center of an interaction between an user and application that work using the TCP. of a network. Example of some service and protocol that are in the application are HTTP, SMTP, FTP, and others. 2. Presentation layer, SIG layer. The SIG layer is the presentation layer which has the function to translate the data format that will be transmitted by the application over the network into a format that can be transmitted by a network. Example of protocol in the presentation layer are MIM, SSL, TLS, and so on. 3. Session layer. 5. Layer. Session layer is a layer that serves to define how a connection can be created, managed, and developed. Example of protocol that are at the session layer are NPS, SMB, RTP, and others. 4. Transport layer. 4. Layer. The transport layer has a function to break data into data packets and provide the sequence number for each packet, so later it can be fingered when it reaches its destination. 5. Network layer. 3. RD layer. The job of the network layer is to create heads for packets that contain IP Internet Protocol information, either the sending IP or the destination IP of the data. In one condition, the network layer also performs the routing process through interconnecting using router and switches at the 3 layers. 6. Data link layer 2 and layer. The data link layer has the task of determining that each bit of data is stored into a format called a frame. This level also occurs error correction, follow control, hardware or hardware addressing, such as the match address, media access control address. 7. Physical layer 1 adalah the function is the definition of transmission via bit synchronization, signaling, network architecture such as cabling and network topology. Internet standards. Internet standard. The Internet Engineering Task Force is the topmost organization that functions to promote the Internet and approve protocol that will be used as standards protocol on the Internet and is responsible for Internet working technology and its application. ISOC was founded in 1992 and is led by Vinton G. Cerf, inventor of the TCP/IP concave and father of the Internet Research Task Force. IRTV is a working unit under the IEB, which is tasked with conducting research on Internet protocols, application, architecture, and internet technology, good for the short and long term, and promising the result of their studies. Thank you. I say sorry if there are many mistakes.